Hey y'all, if you're new, hi, my name is Bam, and if you're returning, I love you, bitch. Y'all gotta do the other half of the heart with me because we locked in. Thank y'all for being present with me. Okay, now let's get into business. Like I was telling y'all in my last video, and if you haven't seen my last video, go watch it right now. Like, this is a whole series. You don't want to miss nothing, okay? So go watch it and come back. And y'all, I'm looking a fucking mess right now. Like, my hair not done, nails not done, nothing is done because I've been in straight grind mode, work mode for the past week or so. So that's why I'm looking like this, but it's okay because I'm getting shit done. But like I was saying in my last video, I was telling y'all that I've been working on something for quite a while now, which is control claws. Like, bitch, pinch me right now. Is this a fucking dream? I'm so excited for my brand to officially come to life. And it's not just press on nails. It's about owning your look, your vibe, your chaos, your style, being true to yourself, staying true to who you are. I made this for the girls who don't play by the rules, the dark rebels, the baddies on a budget, and today I'm showing y'all everything behind the chaos. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see my first official claw collection. But for now, let's get into the packaging. So every set of claws come with an instruction card that tells you step by step how to apply your press-ons. The control claws way, of course. We're talking prep, press, and instantly you're that bitch. No salon, no BS. And the other side is the side that I stick the press-on nails on. And I'm gonna use double-sided tape to stick the press-on nails on this side of the card. Real simple. And at the top, it has the Control Claws logo. I designed these cards myself and had them printed on uprinting.com, and it was super inexpensive, y'all. And now the claw packaging. I found these boxes on Amazon. It's black and it's see-through, so when you put the card in, you will see it from both sides. I really wanted it to feel like you're unboxing something special, like it's made just for you. I eventually want to get ribbons and like tie the ribbons around the box like a little cute bow, like you're opening a present. I want every box to feel like an experience for my customers. Dark, clean, and made to match the energy of the claws. So as of now, I'm about to put all my claws in the boxes and I'm gonna come back to y'all later and show y'all. But for now, let's move on. Everything you get from Control Claws is an experience, even the self-care. These are the hand scrub, lotions, and cuticle oil packaging that I also got from Amazon. And I'll be including these and some other things in my aftercare kit for my brand. This is the claw scrub packed with exfoliating magic for irresistibly soft, smooth hands like a cloud. This is a claw cream, leaving your hands silky and moisturized. And it smells like fresh cucumbers from a spa. It smells so fucking good, y'all. And this is the cuticle oil, infused with sweet almond and keeps your claws nourished, glossy, and hydrated. Everything labeled with love and care. I want every package to feel personal, powerful, and polished for my customers. Now, before we get into the claw collection, and I promise we're almost there, y'all, just give me a minute. But first, let's get into the setup. So let me show y'all how I made this cute little dark DIY setup to show off my claws. I started with a plain slab of glass, nothing too fancy, and then I taped some aluminum foil behind it for a crinkly chrome feel. Then I went and grabbed some screws I found lurking in my junk drawer, the big chunky ones, black and silver. I added my nail displays in the middle so I could play around with the layout until it felt chaotic but cute. Then glued them down with my hot glue gun. So yeah, this is me gluing all the screws down with the hot glue gun. I don't know if I want to add more things to this DIY setup, like safety pins, thumbtacks, basically anything sharp to fit the aesthetic, you know. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with the screws and add more things later on. Then came the chains, black, chunky, and stolen off my pants, literally. I wrapped them around the screws to add texture and dimension, and the chain detail brought everything together. Like, I was so in love. I literally found everything for this project inside my own house. I did not have to go out and spend nothing. I just got creative with it, and this is how it looks with my nails on the display. It looks so good. It's perfect for my claws. And speaking of claws, now it's time for the reveal. Chrome Venom. Fierce, dark, bold. Claws that demand attention. Hazard scene. Enchanting. Mysterious. Very much eye-catching. Slither Shed. Edgy, metallic, reptilian. Screams danger and allure. Bunny Blade. Striking, rebellion, and dazzling. Embracing punk and rage. Alien Scales. Untamed, iridescent. Exuding a hypnotic charm. Enchanted Ooze. 3D futuristic metallics turns every hand into wearable art. Frostbite Tears, galaxy glam and rich textures, sculptural chrome artistry. Poison Viper, mesmerizing, hypnotic, dark, and enchanting. Bimbo Core Pink and Bimbo Core Blue. Well, you know, Y2K and big boobs, twisted eye, glam punk, and will put you in a trance. And finally, Ruthless Glitz, flirty, pink, Barbie core glam with attitude. So I want to do a branding photo shoot to bring this whole thing to life. I want to let everybody know that KTRL+KLAWZ is coming in full effect. I'm still getting my mood boards and ideas in place. Like, I want a cute concept for this little mini video commercial. I don't know. I'm still thinking and getting everything together. So we can just leave this here and we can come back to this conversation in the future. I can't wait to get everything together for KTRL+KLAWZ, and I hope y'all are loving the process so far. Comment your most favorite set below right now and tell me which pair you see yourself wearing. Also, hit that subscribe button for me because the KTRL+KLAWZ era is loading fast, and I want y'all here for all of it. In the next video, I'm going to be showing y'all what all comes in order when you order from my brand, what comes in the aftercare kit, and we'll be talking about the video shoot more. So if y'all got any like dark cutesy ideas, just comment that below and I'm gonna read over them. So just let me know because we'll be getting into some things, okay? But I gotta go. I love you bitches.